Hello friends, today I will show you my opposite book. Sad, happy, sad, happy. Day, night, day, night. Big, small, big, small. Long, short, long, short. Full, empty, full, empty. Few, many, few, many. Open, close, open, close. Cold, hot, cold, hot, cold, hot. Up, down, up, down. Far, near, far, near. Bye-bye. Thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Pepi and Jackal. Bye-bye.